Hall players. So when are these attorneys gonna learn to stop fucking around with filter face Kari Lake, Frumpy Dump, the MAGA mice, and the Frumpy Dump tank sniffers? Baby, they are like the plague to the legal community. Baby, tell me why filter face attorneys have been ordered to pay over $100,000 in sanctions for filing those frivolous ass lawsuits on behalf of filter face, and she's still running around here lying. Players, y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's talk about it. So as we all know, honey, just like the tank that she sniffs, Frumpy Dump, filter face Kari Lake lost every single one of those lawsuits that she filed in Arizona regarding the Arizona governor's race. She's just like Frumpy Dump. She lost the election and she's going around saying that it was stolen. And it is damn ridiculous and a hot bullshitty mess. So now that those lawsuits have been filed to the fullest extent that they can be filed, the judge has came back with some sanctions, honey. So Filter Face's legal team has been ordered to pay $122,200 in sanctions after a federal court in Arizona found that Filter Face Kari Lake's lawsuits contesting the voting methods in Arizona was frivolous. Oh, yes, honey. It's true. That lawsuit was thrown out and Filter Face Kari Lake ultimately lost to Katie Hobbs. She then filed another lawsuit after the election alleging widespread fraud. The case was also dismissed, though she continues to make baseless claims that the race was stolen from her.
59% of the machines failed on election day, and they put those machines, let's say they put them in all liberal areas, all Democrat areas. That's what they did in Maricopa County. They rolled out equipment that didn't work. They put it in Republican areas.
Where are you getting this information?
I'm getting it from the county itself, system log files. System log files. Unfortunately, you're standing here as a journalist, and you've never dug into it because you're not curious about this. You've never looked at the evidence. The evidence is there, but we're looking at a bunch of activists in the media who don't bother to do their homework. They just...
It is damn ridiculous that she is still going around saying this. She just posted this morning. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. So the $122,000 judgment will be paid by Filter Face 3 attorneys, but one of those attorneys was found to have limited involvement in the case, and they were ordered to only pay 10%. So in the order, the judge said failing to impose meaningful sanctions here might very well encourage others to follow suit by leading their credibility to documents filed in court without facing any consequences if their certifications prove to be hollow or incomplete. The need for general deterrence is therefore significant. Child, and this isn't the first time that these attorneys have had to pay, honey. Back in May, they were ordered to pay $2,000 in sanctions for their role in spreading misinformation about election integrity. In my opinion, they should have to pay $2 million for doing something like that. It is damn ridiculous and a hot shitty mess, all because Kari Lake lost fair and square. So now Filter Face Kari Lake is free to move about the country and spreading these big lies, even though all of her lawsuits have been thrown out and those attorneys are going to have to pay for her bullshit. I hope they got the money because they can't get it from the Arizona Republican Party, honey, because they broke as a joke. Oh, yes, honey, it's true. After the Arizona Republican Party paid out that money to the cyber ninjas, they only have $50,000 in cash reserve. And they did it for the orange plethorette. I declare, what a disgrace. But I don't feel sorry for them. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mo for the Black